nga gaputa kayat ko nga iyo may ipariyag. Nui nga dagiti nyaman nga panggap iti biyag ko. So I will not be talking or I will not be telling story as about me. But I would want to speak to you with hope that my sharing will spark a flame in you. Indeed, graduation as a season of harvest is not just a day to celebrate the fruits of every decisions, labor, and hard work, but it is a celebration of a promise. A promise that you, young men and women sitting before us, are ready to take on the world outside of this school. So, to you completers and graduates of this class 2026, as you stand on the precipice of a new chapter in your life, I hope that these three main points, yes, three main points that I will raise today be well taken off. Ang kayo nga agdanag kasi nung prinactice ko to, it's just less than 10 minutes tapan panunutok baka mabanglos na DJ insagana yung ijibalbalayo. So bear with me with those remaining, maybe I already had 7 minutes left. Okay, so these are the three main points that I want to raise to you, graduates and completers. First, cultivate the habit of gratitude. Gratitude is not just a fleeting feeling. It is a product of your choice and your constant practice. Remember to always be grateful to every person who have made a pivotal contribution to every success you will achieve and that you have achieved. Iyari ko ngay itimay sa nga story sa Bible in the book of Luke. At dati sa nga pulo nga lalaki nga adaan iti sakit nga leprosy. No kinya tayo kuno iti panagsasaw tayo tata gadil. And this is not a very good disease during their time, taagbalit ka nga outcast. Ibig sabihin yan, para kang basura if you're inflicted with that disease. Iti panawanda. And so, gabutan na damag ta that Jesus heals mga gas ni Jesus. So, imasidagdakat dimawat dati tulong kinyan. To cut the story short, kat naagasan dagitoy nga sa nga pulo. But out of those 10, may salaong tinagsubli kini Jesus tapno apan nga agyaman ta naagasan isuna. So Jesus asked, napanangay dagiti siyam. But Jesus appreciated the faith and the character iti di may sa kadagiti leper nga nagsubli kinyana. Adings, let us all be inspired with the character of that one leper. Gratitude is the memory of the heart that would foster humility and will let you stay grounded. Kaya naman, bago nga ituloy ko dito yung panagsako, may I request you to participate in this one last performance task bago man lang kayo umalis dito sa school na to. The one that let us practice gratitude simply by recognizing those people behind your graduation or your completion. So, may I ask you, addings, to please stand and clap your hands as a sign iti panagyaman nyo. And if you belong to those groups na mabanggit ko,